I am joined by our crime and legal reporter, senior reporter Mukesh Kumar. Mukesh, tell us what happened in the High Court and the twists and turns associated with it.
Yes, Pramod, today when the matter came up before the High Court for hearing, Goa government submitted a detailed affidavit today, and in which there was mention of ivermectin medicine, which was raised last time during the last hearing. Goa government, in the very first line of the affidavit in that paragraph, says that analysis of ivermectin medicine by WHO is flawed, and use of ivermectin medicine for COVID treatment is approved by AIMS ICMR, COVID-19 National Task Force, as well as Goa State Expert Committee. And Goa government has further said that mortality rate of COVID patients is actually much lower if ivermectin is used for early treatment as well as prophylaxis. So, High Court inquired about the ICMR guidelines. So, Goa government submitted the guidelines, and after that, High Court was very much satisfied with the use of this ivermectin, but for the purpose of COVID treatment. Later on, it was issue was raised by a petitioner that government is also pitching ivermectin for the purpose of prophylaxis. The judge completely said that state cannot promote any medicine for prophylaxis. It is okay that if you are using this medicine for the purpose of treatment as recommended by the AIMS or ICMR, but you cannot promote. So AG became quiet on this issue on the prophylaxis use. So High Court has said that we are keeping this matter open. If government is using for the prophylaxis purpose, then petitioner can mention this matter before the High Court, and we will take care of it. So as of now, the issue is that government can use for the purpose of treatment only. It cannot be recommended or supplied for the prophylactic use. So this was the one issue. Second issue, major issue was
Wait, Mukesh, I'll just clarify this to our viewers and then I'll come to you on the second issue. So हांव just सांगता की किती घडलें हायकोर्टा भितर. गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आयव्हरमॅक्टिन म्हणटा ती टॅबलेट एंटीबायोटीक ती सगळ्या पॉप्युलेशनाक दिवपाक सोदता अंडर दी एडवायज आनी प्रिटेक्स्ट दॅट इट हेल्प्स इन प्रिवेंटींग द डिसीज. म्हळ्यार कोवीड जावचो न्ही म्हणून किंवा कोवीड ताचें प्रिवेंशन करपा खातीर जाका प्रोफिलॅक्सीस ट्रिटमेंट म्हणटात की खंयचोय डिसीज जावचो न्ही म्हणून पयलींच खंयची तरी जर आमी वखद घेतात ताका प्रोफिलॅक्सीस ट्रिटमेंट म्हणटात. सो आयव्हरमॅक्टिन ही टॅबलेट जी सद्याक जांकां कोवीड जाला तांकां दोतोर रेकमेंड करतात, कारण कोविडाक लागून जर बाकीची कसली इन्फेक्शन्स बी जातलीं जाल्यार द टॅबलेट कॅन मे टेक केअर ऑफ इट. सो ऑलरेडी ती ICMRच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर ट्रिटमेंटाच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर आसा, प्रोफिलॅक्सिसाच्या किंवा प्रिवेंशनाच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर ना. सो आज जेन्ना हो इश्यू हायकोर्टाक आयलो की गोवा गव्हर्मेंट वेंट टू एन एक्सटेंट ऑफ सेयींग दॅट वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन डज नॉट नो वॉट दे आर डुईंग. सो WHO खबर ना की ते कितें करतात आनी पळय ICMRन ऑलरेडी तांच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर घाला. पूण हें खंयच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर घाल्लें? हें घाल्लें हें ट्रिटमेंटाच्या प्रोटोकॉला भितर. हें प्रोफिलॅक्सिसाच्या किंवा प्रिवेंटीव ट्रिटमेंटाच्या प्रोटोकॉलाक घालनाशिल्लें. तो विशय, कारण एंटायर पॉप्युलेशनाक जर आयव्हरमॅक्टिन दिवपाची जाली जाल्यार इट्स अ डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ अ स्केल एंड डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ अ एक्सपर्टीज. तो इश्यू जेन्ना हायकोर्टा मुखार आयलो तेन्ना हायकोर्टान सांगलें की बाबा प्रोफिलॅक्सीस किंवा प्रिवेंटीव ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर हें दिवपाक आमची सद्याक मान्यताय ना, आनी फाल्यां जर सरकार हो निर्णय लागू करपाक जर मुखार सरता, फुडें सरता जाल्यार पिटिशनर इज फ्री टू अप्रोच द हायकोर्ट अगेन. सो हे लक्षात घेयात, ह्यो दोन गजाली आहात की आयव्हरमॅक्टिन टॅबलेट्स जांकां सद्याक कोवीड जाला किंवा जांकां जावन गेला तांकां खबर आसतलें, दोतोर एनीवे एज अ ट्रिटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल प्रिस्क्रायब करतात, प्रोफिलॅक्सीस किंवा प्रिवेंटीव ट्रिटमेंट म्हणून न्ही. गोंय सरकार हें पयलींच दिवपाक सोदतालें टू द एंटायर पॉप्युलेशन, जाचेर हो वाद आशिल्लो आनी जाचेर हायकोर्टाक हियरींग जालें. मुकेश, गो अहेड.
A second issue was the availability of vaccine dosage for the
Hmm.
entire population. Last time also, High Court not only issued notice to Goa government on this issue, but one notice was issued to Union of India central government
Hmm.
also. Central government has filed affidavit, and in that reply, they have said that according to central government policy, vaccines for 45 plus age group and frontline workers, that doses will be provided by the central government, and according to that 7.5 lakhs approximately doses have been already supplied to Goa government, out of which 2.5 lakh is already in reserve with Goa government,
Hmm.
but that is limited for the use of either first dose or second dose for the 45 plus population and for the frontline workers. Second policy is that for the use of 18 to 45 age group, state government will directly purchase from the manufacturer company.
Hmm.
So on that, some doses have been made available to Goa government, and this already Chief Minister had made a statement that they have placed order for 5 lakh doses.
Hmm.
So that will come up in phase wise. So Advocate General mentioned all these things, and they said that they will get the vaccine phase wide, and according to that vaccination drive will move on.
Hmm.
So High Court has now asked the Goa government detailed time frame wise report on vaccination,
Hmm.
that how they are going ahead with the vaccination for the full population of Goa in a time frame manner.
Hmm.
So next date of hearing is most likely to happen after 7th June. That day, Goa government has to give this perfect report on about the vaccination program.
Hmm.
Third issue was that there is possibility of third wave. So another issue was that how Goa government is preparing to tackle this third wave. So Goa government has given that expert committee has been formed, and they are recommending several things, and we have developed some infrastructure, but next third wave is expected to hit the children.
Hmm.
For that, the infrastructures are being ready, and Goa government has said that there is no issue of manpower, because they will hire some extra manpower also who will take care of third wave it comes, or even as of now they are ready for hiring if the requirement is there. So these were the reply from the Goa government. High Court was almost happy. Another issue was the oxygen supply. Oxygen supply, the statement have been made that there was requirement of 55 metric tons liquid oxygen during the peak time.
Hmm.
Now, condition is that central government and other agencies are supplying to Goa approximate 46 MT. So the requirements are fulfilled. There is no shortage
Hmm.
either in GMC or any hospital
Yeah.
across
Thanks.
Goa.
Thanks a lot,
So
Mukesh.